Hello everyone. So you bought Aprilia from I think it's from 2004 to 2009, RSV 1000 or Tuono or RSVR, probably it's called 1000. Basically, if it doesn't start or it starts intermittently whenever it wants to, basically there is a sensor. It's called pickup sensor. This one here. So it's a pickup sensor. I'll put in the description which one it is. It's basically senses the revolutions of the engine, measuring them and getting the point where it needs to start, put the spark in. So it might not really measure what it's supposed to, and it won't start. So basically you replace it with a Bosch sensor, which I'll put it in the description below, and you'll solve the problem. Also, I wanted to add, you can check for error codes where you press the lap or high beam and turn the ignition on and hold it for about 20 seconds, 20-30 seconds, and on the dash it will show the code. On the pickup sensor it will not show any codes, it will show up 0, which means there are no error codes stored. After that it resets the counter or the log, so you won't see any other error codes, but basically this will not show up on a speedo, and you'll be stuck thinking what's going on with a bike. Cheers.